dear students and parents, respected parents and respected media personalities. I welcome you all for this auspicious day and the occasion that we are celebrating today. The achievement of our students in the JEE Advanced year 2025. As an Aakash, being one of the most admired brand in the edtech sector and being pioneer in the competitive industry for more than 36 years, Aakash has been helping lakhs of children every year in every segment, be it the engineering or the medical or the foundation Olympiads. In every segment, Aakash is helping the children in realizing their careers and their future aspirations by providing a proper and exceptional hand-holding support at every stage from class 8th onwards up to class 12th, even 12th passed out also. In every aspect for every child we are offering the academic support, and Aakash has been performing exceptionally well in terms of the results and the overall qualifiers also. So now today we are here to celebrate the success of our own students of Aakash Gulbarga. Okay, just I wanted to give you a quick briefing on this academic journey, and also with respect to the JEE Advanced, a quick briefing. It is important to note. JEE Advanced is considered to be one of the toughest examinations, not only in the country, but across the world. So in that, lakhs of students are appearing and giving the exam every year. Including this year, there are close to 13.1 lakh children have enrolled for the JEE mains this year, out of which 12.6 lakh students approximately have given the exam, which is a very good appearance, which is a very good attendance also. Okay, and then there are a very limited students who have got qualified for writing the JEE Advanced, which is close to 1.8 lakh students who have qualified in the entire country so that they could give the JEE Advanced examination. And recently, like May 18th, we got the JEE Advanced exam. After that, just yesterday, we got the result out of which 54,000 across the country got cleared this examination, JEE Advanced. And even Aakashians have come up with a flying colors by producing a wonderful result in every segment across the country. If I name them, with in the top 100 All India ranks, we have produced a total 12 students across the country, and then up to 200 top rankers we have 20 students, and in the top 500 there are 56 students, and in top 1000 we have 122 children. In this prestigious examination, Aakashians have proved their mettle this year like every time. And when it comes to our branch, we have total 5 students given this advanced examination this year, out of which 4 students got selected, and out of them 2 students are with us today to celebrate this exceptional feat with us. In that, our student Mr. Gururaj Sajjan, he has cleared this exam with exceptional score, and he stood, according to our information till now, he is the topper of the district of Kalaburgi as of now, as on today, with an All India rank of 274. He has got an exceptional score, and so he stood in the top 300 rank also with 274 All India rank. He is a matter of pride for all of us, all the team at Aakash Gulbarga. So today we have invited the parents also to be a part of this celebration. And my humble request to all the media personalities here is, see, Kalaburagi, in such a small geography in the vast state of Karnataka, our students are producing exceptional results by performing so well and competing with lakhs of students across the country. So we have every resource available here itself within the city. They need not go to some metropolitan cities and all. They have every facility available here itself in our own place. So kindly do your part in sharing this information with the maximum number of children and parents, so that they will be aware and they will be coming forward. Our academic team will be highly supportive in providing any kind of academic counseling also, in whatever be the respect. Okay, and in fact, we have produced a wonderful result. Mr. Gururaj Sajjan, he has also proved his result not only in the JEE Advanced. Earlier, he has proved his score in the JEE Mains also. He is also one of the top rankers among the top 100 students with 92 All India rank. He is also one of the toppers in the country. And in the recent KCET examination, he has got the 18th rank in the state, which is not a small achievement. It's worthy, really worthy to be appreciated, right? So I would congratulate Gururaj on his wonderful achievement. Right. So now we are open to the discussion. In fact, later on.
Comparing to the last, is there any going on progress or is it the same level?
Certainly, sir.
Do you think because now?
Yes, sir. As far as Gulbarga is concerned, yes, sir. Correct, sir. As far as Gulbarga is concerned, the number of JEE Advanced qualifiers are also slightly increased. Last year we got 3 students cleared this examination, whereas this year we have got 4 students clear this exam with such a wonderful outcome, who is in the top 300 All India rank.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾ ಸುಭಾಷ್ ಮಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಸಜ್ಜನ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಗ JEE ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ 274 ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ತೆಗೆದು ಆಕಾಶ್ ಕೋಚಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಂಟರಿಂದ 274 ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ತೆಗೆದಾನೆ. ಇದು ನಮಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಖುಷಿ ಇದೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಅವ್ನ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಅವ್ರ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಬೆನ್ನು ಹತ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದು, ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಇದೇ ಟೈಪ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರ್ತಾವೆ ಇದು ಹೇಳಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಮೊದಲು ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಗೈಡ್ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಹುಡುಗರು ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ ನಾವು ಸ್ವಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳೋದನ್ನು ಮುಖ್ಯ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಇದೇ ವೇದಾಗ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ ಅಂದಾಗ ಆ ವೇದಾಗ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಬರ್ತಾವೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಕಾಶದಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಹುಡುಗಗೆ ಅತಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನಾವೇ ಮೊದಲು ನಮಗೂ ಅಷ್ಟು JEE ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಹಂಗಿದು ಏನೂ ಇದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. 9th 10th ಆದಮೇಲೆ ತಾವನ್ನ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿದು ನಾ JEE ಮಾಡ್ತಂದಾಗ ನಾವು ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ದು ಆಕಾಶ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಇದು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಮತ್ತು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೋಚಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಗುಡ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಮೇನ್ಸ್ನೊಳಗೆ 92 ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ 274 ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಮುಂದೆ IIT ಬಾಂಬೆಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಆಸೆ ಇದೆ ಸರ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಆಕಾಶ್ ಕೋಚಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಸರ್. ಕೋಚಿಂಗ್ ಸರ ಇದು ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಸರ್. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲಿದ್ದ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವರು ಇವ್ರು ಆಕಾಶದವ್ರನ್ನ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಾಗ ಇದು ಓದಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಸರ್.
My name is Gururaj S and I have achieved a good rank, that is 274 in JEE Advanced 2025. In my JEE life, Aakash has played a very big role. The first thing is about targets. In targets, everything is arranged very properly, like step 1, step 2, step 3, and everything is marked like the question, the difficulty level of the questions. That helped me during the time of revision classes, and even the spotlight program conducted also helped me a lot during revision classes. And even whenever I used to ask doubts to my teachers, they would be instantly cleared, and that helped me a lot when I was preparing in my preparation. And the test conducting system of Aakash is very very good. Like before JEE Mains and JEE Advanced, every day I used to get one test. Like for JEE Advanced I used to get one 6 hours test, and for JEE Mains I used to get 2-3 hours test before JEE Mains, and that helped me a lot for my JEE preparation. Thank you.
What is your next ambition?
I want to pursue CS from IIT Bombay. I want to pursue CS from IIT Bombay.